Good afternoon, students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the reaction intermediates which are used in your different type of organic reactions. So first of all, let us discuss what are reaction intermediates. They are the species which are formed during the reaction and it consumed before the formation of product. They are short-lived. And hence immediately form product. You have seen in your NCERT textbook that suppose if we have organic substrate, इसी ऑर्गेनिक सबस्ट्रेट को आप जनरली रिएक्टेंट कहते हैं. ऑन दिस ऑर्गेनिक सबस्ट्रेट देयर विल बी अटैक ऑफ योर reagent. I have already discussed that reagent may be your E plus, that is electrophile, or it may be your Nu minus, that is your nucleophile. तो अगर इन दोनों में से कोई भी रिएजेंट है, then this reagent will attack to this substrate and then in midway it will form it will give your intermediate, which intermediate immediately form your product along with some side product. So actually what are these intermediates? तो अभी आपने क्या देखा कि ये जो इंटरमीडिएट है ये पहले से मैंने ले नहीं रखा. Initially I have started with substrate and reagent. So when this attacking reagent will attack to this substrate, first of all it will give an intermediate, and that an intermediate form, it will immediately give your product. So in this video lecture, mainly I will discuss what are the different type of intermediates, how they are going to form, and what are their stabilities. Now these intermediates, as by definition, they are short-lived. Short-lived का मतलब ये बहुत कम समय के लिए बनते हैं and they immediately converted into your product. Now next is, what are the different type of your reaction intermediates? So write types of intermediate. They are basically of forte. Number one is your carbocation, or it is also known as carbonium ion. Number one is your कार्बोकेटाइन और कार्बोनियम आयन. Number 2 is your carbon ion. Number 3 is your carbon free radical. And number 4 is your carbene. Number 4 is your carbene. So these are the different type of your reaction intermediates which are used in organic reaction. So let us discuss what is कार्बोकेटाइन और कार्बोनियम आयन. So let us discuss your first carbocations. A group of atoms with a positively charged carbon atom, having 6 electrons in the valence shell. After sharing is known as carbocations. Earlier it was named as कार्बोनियम आयन. तो आप जिसको कार्बोकेटाइन कहते हो वही आपका कार्बोनियम आयन भी कहलाता है. There is no difference, no point of difference between your carbocation and your carbonium ion. So just you analyze the definition. The first point is it is your group of atoms. This is the first point or first analysis. The second is it must contain carbon atom and that too with positive charge. It must contain carbon atom and that too with your positive charge. And the third is it must have means the carbon atom have 6 state of electron. ये 6 state of electron कहने का मतलब है कि इनके पास 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए. Normally you know there is octet, but in case of carbocation that carbon has your 6 state of electron. Now let us consider an example of a simplest carbocation. So let us consider an example. For example, if we have compound like CH3 and this carbon has positive charge. So this carbocation is known as your methyl carbocation. As you know, in case of your methane, this carbon have 8 electron. But if we write CH3 plus, now this carbon has only 6 electron. अगर आपको कोई पूछे कि आप इसको कार्बोकेटाइन क्यों कहते हैं तो आप यही जवाब दोगे कि भाई इस कार्बन के पास हमारा 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. कैसे 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है? After sharing, this is 2, this is another 2, that is 2 plus 2, 4, this is another 2, means 6, and this carbon has a positive charge, so it is your carbocation. Since this CH3 is known as methyl, so the exact name is your methyl carbocation. Suppose if we write the higher homologue of your methyl carbocation, for example, if we have CH3, CH2 and this is plus, now it is your ethyl carbocation, also called your ethyl carbonium ion. तो आप इसको इथाइल कार्बोकेटाइन बोलिए या आप इसको इथाइल कार्बोनियम आयन बोलिए, एक ही चीज है. नाउ इफ समबडी आस्क यू कि भाई यहाँ पर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे है, इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर, 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6. So that 6 electron should be after sharing. Now further your carbocations is classified into 3 types. So right, types of carbocations, it is of 3 types. Number 1 is your 1 degree or primary carbocations. It is your 1 degree or primary carbocation. The formula is RCH2 plus. Now what is this R? This R stands for your alkyl group. भाई आपको कोई पूछे कि ये R क्या है, तो आपका आंसर होगा कि R is your alkyl. चाहे वो alkyl कोई भी हो, whether it is methyl, whether it is ethyl, whether it is propyl, butyl, कुछ भी हो, then it will be your primary. For example, the simplest R, जैसे किसी ने आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा कि write the structure of या write the formula of the simplest primary carbocation, then the answer is your ethyl carbocation. देखिए ये जो आपका इथाइल कार्बोकेटाइन है, ये सबसे सिंपलेस्ट प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन है, सबसे सिंपलेस्ट. आप कहेंगे सर ये सबसे सिंपलेस्ट क्यों है? Why not methyl carbocation is the simplest carbocation प्राइमरी में? तो मिथाइल कार्बोकेटाइन सिंपलेस्ट कार्बोकेटाइन है, बट मिथाइल कार्बोकेटाइन इज नॉट प्राइमरी. प्राइमरी इज इथाइल. व्हाई इट इज? बिकॉज आप देखिए RCH2 प्लस, तो R simplest R is your methyl, and if you write methyl it is primary. ठीक है. Now the next higher homologue of your primary carbocation, कोई पूछे कि इथाइल कार्बोकेटाइन के अलावा इसके अलग, इससे अलग कोई प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन का आप एग्जांपल दें, then the answer is CH3, CH2. See, this is CH2 plus. Now this is your N-propyl or normal propyl carbocation. So this normal propyl carbocation is your 1 degree or primary carbocation. Now in this case, what is the alkyl group? Alkyl group is your ethyl. So in this case, alkyl is your ethyl. So the first is your primary carbocation, which has a general formula RCH2 plus. The second is your 2 degree or secondary carbocation. अब देखिए कितना आसान है. सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटाइन में क्या करोगे, योर वन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय अल्काइल। इसका जो एक हाइड्रोजन है उसको आप रिप्लेस कर दें अल्काइल से। नाउ इट इज योर R, अगेन दिस इज हाइड्रोजन बट दिस इज R, दो अल्काइल हो गया, एंड देन देयर इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज। नाउ दिस कार्बोकेटाइन इज योर secondary carbocation. Suppose somebody asks you, write the simplest structure or the simplest formula of a secondary carbocation. Then what will be your answer? भाई minimum lowest R आपका क्या होगा, मिथाइल। See this is your methyl. So this carbocation is your 2 degree or secondary carbocation. Its name is your sec-propyl carbocation, or it may be referred as your isopropyl, क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही आपको बता चुका है कि प्रोपाइल में आइसो और सेक में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता, बट देयर इज डिफरेंस इन आइसो एंड सेक फ्रॉम ब्यूटाइल एंड ऑनवर्ड। तो वहां ये कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए। नाउ लेट अस सपोज इफ वी हैव ए कार्बोकेटाइन ऑफ दिस टाइप CH3 CH2 say CH3 H and this, it is carbocation, it has 6 state of electron। कोई पूछे कि ये कार्बोकेटाइन है तो कैसे, ओके इट हैज 6 स्टेट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ है, 2 4 6, क्लियर। बट इट इज योर 2 डिग्री कार्बोकेटाइन, इट इज योर 2 डिग्री। व्हाई 2 डिग्री? देयर आर 2 अल्काइल ग्रुप, दिस कार्बन इज अटैच्ड विद 2 अदर कार्बन। अब टोटल गिनती करिए, 1 2 3 4, 4 मींस ब्यूटाइल। तो नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल तो है नहीं, स्ट्रेट चेन तो है नहीं, ब्रांच है, तो इसको आप क्या बोल दोगे, दिस इज योर सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल, दिस इज योर सेक ब्यूटाइल कार्बोकेटाइन, सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल कार्बोकेटाइन। एंड द थर्ड टाइप विल बी योर the third type is 3 degree or tertiary carbocation. The third type will be your 3 degree or tertiary carbocation. This is your tertiary carbocation. Say this is positive charge and the 3 alkyl groups are present. So this carbocation is your tertiary carbocation. So what will be the simplest formula? This is CH3, 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 and this carbon having positive charge. So this is your tertiary carbocation. It is also known as tert butyl. Tert butyl कहने का मतलब होता है tertiary butyl. It is your tertiary butyl कार्बोकेटाइन। तो ये था आपको डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कार्बोकेटाइन। सपोज वी हैव ए कार्बोकेटाइन ऑफ दिस टाइप, सपोज फाइनली वी हैव ए कार्बोकेटाइन ऑफ दिस टाइप, से पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन दिस कार्बन। इज इट ए टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन? इट लुक्स लाइक ए टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन, but it is not a tertiary carbocation, it is a primary carbocation. Now why it is a primary carbocation? Because positive charge जिस कार्बन पे है, it is attached with only one alkyl group directly. See, it is your CH2 plus. So if there is CH2 plus, it is 1 degree. If CH plus, 2 degree. If C plus, it will be 3 degree. तो आप कहोगे इसका नाम क्या होगा? I hope you know. It is your neopentyl carbocation, which is a primary carbocation. For example, if somebody asks you, okay, this is a carbocation, okay, this is a carbocation, say CH2 and plus. See, this carbon has 6 electrons, no doubt. Now, since it is CH2 plus, it is your primary carbocation. Its name is बेंजाइल कार्बोकेटायन. तो इसका नाम क्या हो गया आपको? बेंजाइल कार्बोकेटायन, which is a 1 degree or primary carbocation. Now, how we can form कार्बोकेटायन, कि ये आखिर बनता कैसे है, कहां से आया? सो राइट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकेटायन, it is formed as a result of heterolytic bond cleavage when the carbon is attached with the more electronegative element than itself. Let us consider the example. For example, suppose if we have methyl bromide. ये मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड ये आपका सबस्ट्रेट है. तो इस सबस्ट्रेट पर जब कोई रिएजेंट अटैक करेगा, चाहे वो रिएजेंट आपका मान लीजिए कोई रिएजेंट अटैक करेगा, वेदर द रिएजेंट इज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल और न्यूक्लियोफाइल, तो ये जब अटैक तभी करेगा जब ये कार्बन और ब्रोमीन के बीच का बॉन्ड ब्रेक करे. जब तक ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक नहीं होगा, द रिएजेंट कैन नॉट अटैक. नाउ यू नो द बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग टेक्स प्लेस इन टू वे, either it is your homolytic or it is your heterolytic. Now you know in carbon and bromine, your bromine is more electronegative than carbon. ये ब्रोमीन आपका क्या है? कार्बन से ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है. It means the shared pair of electron is taken away by your bromine, so that bromine has a negative charge. Now what happens in this case? This is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, but this carbon has a positive charge. तो अब आप देखिए ये कौन सा कार्बोकेटायन बना? आप कह सकते हैं कि आपका यहाँ पे मिथाइल कार्बोकेटायन बन गया. लेट अस सपोज, अगर यहीं पे सपोज करिए कि यहाँ पे मान लीजिए हम मिथाइल लेकर के इथाइल ब्रोमाइड लिए थे. तो इथाइल ब्रोमाइड लिए थे तो यहाँ H के बदले मेरा क्या लग गया? Again CH3. Now this carbocation is not methyl carbocation, rather you can say this carbocation is your ethyl carbocation. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जिस तरह का आप अल्काइल हैलाइड लोगे उसी तरह का कार्बोकेटायन आपका बनेगा. For example, let us suppose if we have this type of alkyl halide. What is this? आप कह सकते हो ये क्या है? It is your isopropyl bromide. Say it is your isopropyl bromide. Then again if you put here CH3, then you can say it is your isopropyl carbocation. And for your information, isopropyl carbocation is a secondary carbocation. I hope there should be no difficulty particularly to understand carbocation. cation. Now in my next video lecture, I will discuss the orbital structure of carbocation and its stability. Thank you. Now let us discuss the orbital structure of carbocation. Right? The carbon present in the carbocation is sp2 hybridized. Therefore it is trigonal planar in shape. सिंपली आप कह सकते हो प्लेनर विथ ए बॉन्ड एंगल इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री. तो आप पहले भी पढ़े हो कि द शेप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल, particularly say organic molecule, you know methane is tetrahedral because in methane your carbon is sp3 hybridized. So in any carbocation your carbon is sp2 hybridized, and this due to sp2 hybridization its shape is your trigonal planar, which is also known as your simply planar or triangular planar with a bond angle 120 degree. Now since the hybridization is sp2, it means 1s and 2p orbitals are mixed together. You know there are 3p orbital. Therefore the third p orbital remains unhybridized. ये अनहाइब्रिडाइज्ड कहने का मतलब वो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में भाग नहीं लेगा. Remains unhybridized and lying perpendicular to the plane. So that is very important. So third p orbital, that is mainly pz, it is lying unhybridized perpendicular to the plane. Now let us see what is actually the geometry or what is the shape of your carbocation. Say this is carbon. These are 3 bonds. They are at 120. This is positive charge on carbon, and this is your unhybridized. P orbital, which is lying perpendicular to the plane. Very simple. Now this angle is your 120 degree. Each bond angle is your 120 degree. Now if somebody asks you, the question is, draw the shape of methyl carbocation. Draw the shape of methyl carbocation. किसी ने पूछा आपको draw the shape of methyl carbocation. It's very easy. put hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is the shape of your methyl carbocation. If somebody asks you draw the shape of ethyl carbocation, बस क्या करते हैं यहाँ एक CH3 लगा देते हो. If you put CH3, CH2 plus, it is your ethyl carbocation. So this is your shape of or orbital structure of your carbocation. Now the last is stability of carbocation. Last you write stability of carbocation. The order of stability is tertiary more stable than secondary, more stable than primary, more stable than methyl. Means if a carbocation is tertiary, this is the structure of a tertiary carbocation, you know, all three alkyl groups are there, then it is more stable than your secondary carbocation, which is further more stable than your primary carbocation, which is more stable than your simplest carbocation, that is your methyl carbocation. Now you know if something is stable, it means it is less reactive. If something is more stable, it will be less reactive. So somebody asks you reactivity order, then the reactivity order will be just reverse. कोई भी चीज अगर आपका ज्यादा स्टेबल है, इसका मतलब वह सबसे कम रिएक्टिव होगा, और कोई भी चीज यदि काफी अनस्टेबल है तो तुरंत रिएक्ट करेगा. तो आप कह सकते हैं कि ये आपका जो हो गया दैट इज योर मोस्ट स्टेबल, और इसको आप कह सकते हो दिस इज योर लीस्ट स्टेबल. Means it will be your most reactive, it will be your least reactive carbocation. तो I hope आप अच्छी तरह से समझ गए होंगे what is carbocation, what are the different type of carbocation, what is the orbital structure of carbocation, and what is the stability. Now why this order of stability is, why we say tertiary carbocation is more stable, this we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.